Hi, I'm Lina and this is Baby Mariam. I have a humble dream of helping my husband build a tiny home for our little family. While working on that dream, I document my crochet journey, raising a baby, and managing a 9 to 5 job along the way. If you would like to support our little dream, consider subscribe, like, and leave comment. Now, let's jump to today's video.
Guys, so I'm planning on building a small rack or shelf. I think it's shelf, not rack, to put my yarns over here. So the plan is we're going to use this improv board. I'm not sure if you could see it. So here's the thing, improv board. So I'm planning on using this as a shelf. It's a temporary shelf because I know I'm not going to have this workstation forever because I'll be transferring to Slough soon. So yeah, let's see how it goes. I have the plan here. So this is the plan. So this is how we will go. Alright, so just imagine a small shelf over here with my yarns. Alright.
Hey, it's Lina. I want to offer you a free crochet journal for working mom or busy crocheter. Believe me, this is not just another crochet journal you usually found. Inside are step-by-step instructions on how to use the journal, crochet tracker, monthly planner, and weekly review. And most importantly, it is anti-overwhelming and can be worked at natural pace. It encourages you to cherish the smallest crochet act you're able to produce with very limited time due to any responsibilities. Definitely the one for working mom or the busy crocheter. So what are you waiting for? Sign up for my email list and download the freebie now. Back to the video.
Okay, I think it's going to work since I have the behind shelf installed here. The measurement is accurate except for the one over here, but never mind, I can tolerate that. Okay, so now we're left with making dividers. So I'm planning on dividing this shelf into 10 slots, vertical slots, before I put all of my yarns over here to here. So problems appear, and the problem is the shelf that I made cannot fit in directly in to the slot because of I miscalculated 1 centimeter here. That's all it takes for it to no longer fit. So my solution will be, instead of having the shelf sticking out from the slot, I will have the shelf inside the slot. So for me to do that is I have to cut several centimeters away, and only then it will fit perfectly into the slot. So let's see how it goes. It's working, guys. So now time for some magic. Done! It's there. Who's here?
I've been wanting to change my life to become someone better, not only for myself, but for my small family and my small business too. But every time I try, I always find myself falling back into old habits, scrolling on my phone instead of creating, watching others chase their dreams while mine feels stuck. I always tell myself, maybe tomorrow I'll start, but tomorrow comes and nothing changes. Deep down, I know if I want a different life, I have to change something in me first, my mindset and my habits. That's when I decided to pick up a book, Atomic Habits by James Clear. The book teaches how small habits can create big changes with its 4 simple laws. Those are: make it obvious, make it attractive, make it easy, and make it satisfying. So I started small. I decorated my yarn shelf, making it visible, easy to reach, and a little more aesthetic. Now, every time I see it, I feel inspired to pick up my hook and create something. This small habit gave me the courage to pick up more books. Ikigai, the courage to be disliked, and the mountain is you. It might take time to see the results, but I believe small habits done consistently will slowly change my life. Hopefully, I can complete all these books this year, one page, one stage, one small habit at a time. If you are also trying to build new habits, let's start small together, because small dreams can grow if we give them time and love. Today is my first day back to work after a long confinement leave. It's 3 months. Driving to college again feels a little strange. I even miss the usual pathway to my office. Maybe my brain is still in mommy mode. For the past few months, my daily routine was all about Mariam. This time, I'm not just a teacher anymore, I'm a working mom. This time, I have an extra bag with me, my pumping bag, a new routine to balance between work and motherhood. When I arrived at my office, the table was a bit dusty, so I did a little cleaning session to freshen up my workspace. I also received some gifts from my colleagues while I was away. Thank you so much, I really love them. After settling down, I started doing some planning to catch up with work. And then I joined a calligraphy competition and I won first place. After finishing the day, it's time to head back home to my baby Mariam. That's all for today's vlog. Thank you for spending time with me. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you'd like to support our little dream. See you next time. Bye.